Good morning. Uh, Thank you all of us for joining us today. We're gonna talk about some new strategy for professional trader that I'm using on the financial market to analyze asset on forex and stock. This is a combination of more than 100 indicator. More than 100 custom indicator is not a normal indicator that we will find on MT4 or MT5. This is a custom. We hire some professional programmer that build this all tools for us because we want to analyze the market and get fast result, gain on time, and gain on result. So that's why we build extra money strategy. It's a combination of more than 100 indicator and with 6 custom template. What is the extra money strategy? I call him extra money because is when you're using this custom indicator and these custom tools on the market, we can make profit on short term, long term, and gain on time. Like for me, when I trade on DAX, and just in 5 minutes, I know where the market is gonna be. It's gonna rise or it's gonna fall down. So it helped me to analyze market very easy and know when the market is gonna brief, when the trend is gonna be changed. So this template is a little bit complicated because so much data on it, and you can easily customize it at your require. So on it, this is just one screenshot of extreme money, simple one that we call extreme money gold because I used to trade on gold with this indicator. Extreme money, we have more data on it. We have Fibonacci, Ishimoku cloud, moving average. We have RSI oscillator, and news can come straight on your screen. Like you don't need to go to investing, go on media to look for details when the market news coming out. All you can just get it on your MT4 on one time. No need to go out to look for news or market brief. Nothing. All you have is on your computer on your MT4. Finish. So we're gonna go ahead and try to understand this custom tool. As we see on top, we have the spread. I will go for it to explain you more. We have the spread in top. We have the next bar, like a next candle, in how many times it's gonna show. This is the mode zoom. The speed was 22. The next bar was this time frame was H4. So that's why the next bar was 231. But this is I use some screenshot for the days ago. So I will show you the future result. Extra money that I'm saying that I was saying is built with more indicator, custom indicator. Like here, when you are seeing the Ishimoku, is not a normal Ishimoku. This is a custom Ishimoku that help us to identify the trend. The Ishimoku there is helping us to identify the trend when the trend is going for up or down trend. The number 3 that we are seeing in top is it can be a Fibonacci level, a resistance level, and a support level. Why? In top, we have resistance support. When you are seeing the number 3 on your screen on your template, that means we have a support level. Resistance level. This resistance level, we're gonna tell us the market will fall a little bit before you take it up again. And we have also the number 3 on down. When you see is a support, is a strong support, and when you zoom back your graphics, your chart, you're gonna see that this line came out. If you trace it, you will see it's a strong support or strong resistance on the market. So it helps you for people who use resistance and support trend trade to identify where you have to enter or where they have to exit on the market. We also have some arrow there. Up. This arrow telling us that we are going for the market, the trend we're gonna be changed. If you are in a long term or uptrend, and we are seeing this arrow on top, I'll close my position and place a short position. Why? Because I know the market is gonna be fall. So I'm prepared, and when I see the green arrow, I know what's gonna be happen. Even it's on forex or in stock, it's the same. But I don't use it on share because this template will not work on share. On share, we have so many data that cannot show on straight on this graphic. So it's better always to use it on gold, forex, and stock. Here we have new numbers is number 2. On the graphic is only 2 numbers. Number 3 with a yellow circle and number 2 with a red circle. The number two always means is a brief area or just correction on the trend. The trend we're gonna change for a little bit is not mean that the market is gonna change for the trend, but the market we're gonna brief. We have also the same arrow down, always close to the number 2 or number 3. That indicate us where the market is gonna direct. The Ishimoku, as we see, with a custom cloud and moving average, is combined to help us to identify the trend. For people who trade on long term, for long position, we don't need to follow the number 3 or number 4 on the screen, on the chart. The number 3 and number 4 is used for scalper or day trading. For short, long position term, we don't need this one. We have to follow the custom Ishimoku line. When the price is going up to Ishimoku cloud, we can say that we are in a long term, we are in trend line. And when the trend changes, we will have a notification straight on your screen, on your chart, that telling you that the trend has been changed. You don't need to spend time to look on your screen and looking for a trend, when the trend is gonna be changed, when the market be brief. All the thoughts will gonna be on your chart automatically. It'll show you every time. And you can as I was saying, you can add or customize your template to get the news result on your screen straight. On your graphic. But these templates only show technical analysis. It's not for fundamental analysis. Only for technical analysis. This is the custom oscillator that we name a QQR. On the red line, we have the red line, we have the green. When the green is above the yellow, we are in let's say we are in a uptrend, because for short term, are precise. This is for short term. This one is not for long term position. This for just for scalping, day trading only. We can identify that, we can confirm with the Ishimoku and the moving average, the market is going up, or the market is going to be chance go up for the next hours or next days. When the indicator oscillator is below the red line, we can be ready for downtrend. We're gonna see the market, the template, full template, and see how we can analyze easy the market with this indicator as soon as possible, and how we can gain on time and the result, and more optimizing our result performance on the market. We have two charts on NZT USD, New Zealand dollars, on our chart, on date on the 19th December 20. We have two time frame, H1 and H4. H1 and H4. I don't know if you are seeing down there. We have the number 3 showing up and the green arrow. Here we also have the number 3. Also here, there, also down, up, and number 2 with the arrow. What we see in this oscillator from the top 3. For the top 3, as I was saying, that when you are seeing the top 3 numbers, it means the market will change the direction. Our market will gonna brief to for down. If the market is up, going uptrend, the market will fall. We have the number 3 there. The market following is the price. The price is fall up to almost 0.070. The price was at the price of this number 3 was at 0.7053, and when the number 3 show up, the price couldn't go up to number 3. It means like the support, the price didn't go up to didn't break the support. The price fall down, and we get this line to this line. Number 3 also show up, and the green with the arrow for uptrend. The market follow this line, this trend, to go up, to rise up to number 2. That indicates us the market gonna brief against. After the brief, the market fall down. We have the green arrow there with the number 2, telling us the market gonna rise again. The brief has finished. The market's brief has finished. The market is gonna rise again. And number 2 against here, also here. The green line at the top is the yesterday higher price. It means the yesterday higher price, and the red is the yesterday low price. For long, as I was saying that for long-term position, we have the Ishimoku, and the Ishimoku is still, the market is still on the Ishimoku cloud on an uptrend. It's only on this side when the market start. We have the number 3 with the arrow that indicates us that the market will gonna fall, and the market fall and come down to Ishimoku cloud. red cloud for sell position. One, the easy way that I'm explaining that with the Ishimoku. One day we have a red cloud is for sell. The green cloud is for buying. So when I want to trade for long term, I will just take the color of the cloud and place my order. And have also the moving average indicating me. The moving average, we have three moving average there. As we see that, as we know, Ishimoku always coming with three moving average. Here is for the same entity USD for each for long trend. We have in this area of the oscillator, we see that the green line is above the red line. And we see that, as I was saying previously, when we have the green line up to the red line, we are in an uptrend. And here we also have the signal that's telling us the market is going for uptrend. And up to the top, we don't have any signal of the tree and the arrow seeing that telling us the market we're gonna change. It's only when the market brief or when the market the correction of the trend that we have the number 2 telling us we have the notification. Pay attention, the market is gonna trend, we're gonna change everything. And here we also have the market is gonna return it back on the same trend. We have the Ishimoku. The moving average. When we have cross of the moving average, we have the notification straight on your MT4 or MT5 that notify you the market change on H1 or H4 or daily. All depend on your configuration, but you always receive a notification on your screen straight when the market trend change with the moving average. We have from there the tree and the green, the arrow, and when we check on the escalator, we see that we have confirmation for downtrend, and the red cloud are starting and coming out. We have the same asset on the date of 15 December. On H1, we still have downtrend from there, and down we have the same notification of the tree telling us we have pay attention. We have in the support or resistance level. It means I will clarify on these numbers. The number 3 and number 2 against I have no. It's when you see it means also in the Fibonacci level. It not mean only for support or resistance. It mean also for Fibonacci level. Fibonacci level for people who trade with Fibonacci, they know when we have some point, the market will not go down against. So this is the same result. And we see the speed has changed from a previous chart. Now we have the speed for 7, and the next bar is the next candlestick. When you're using bar or next Japanese candlestick. We have the arrow for up also here, and we have the signal on the oscillator telling us to prepare for new trend line. I think this indicator is very, very easy to manage and giving us a lot of opportunity to make money on a fast way. And we can use it for long term, for scalping, day trading, and long position. On H4, the market didn't get confirmation for downtrend. On NZT USD, H4, the market didn't get confirmation to get for downtrend. Now we're gonna take a look on the stock. I used to trade on the German market, the DAX. The DAX market. The stock market is a high volatility market. So I don't trade on long term. I just trade on short term position with the DAX stock. Like I trade on each Monday on DAX, and when I trade, I'll start on 12 and I stop at 10 p.m. And all my days you're gonna make almost 100 pips minimum on this market. This is the only stock that I love trading. It's stock and UX Dow Jones, the same thing. When I trade stock, I just pay attention. I don't pay attention to the Ichimoku cloud. I don't pay attention to the moving average. I just only pay attention on the numbers and the arrow that telling me for market brief or market change. So always when I'm seeing the number 3, I'm placing my order. Before I see it, I don't place order. On stock, before I see the numbers, I don't place order. And mostly, I wait to see the number 3 on my chart before I place my order. And when I've placed my order, we have to just pay attention, just wait. No need to stress. On DAX, the market can sometimes go up. You think you are wrong. But when you have the number 3, I'm just relaxed and waiting. I can wait for 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, but I know my position will come blue. So always on the stock, I wait to see the number 3, I place my order, and I take my profit down. As an example, we have it from here and up to there, up to the top. Just imagine if your how many pips did you make on just on this one position. On one position, you wait from this line to going up, and when you see that the price will go down. And when you reach your target on the day, please leave it, because DAX is very high, and when it's gonna hit you, it will well, yes, and you can cry. And when you see this arrow there, for those who want to trade for long term, they will wait up to the number 3. This is more than 100 pips. But on just only one day, every day, you can make 100 pips on the DAX market. This is not about analyzing. This is a real thing that I'm making every day. Every day, I trade on DAX, and I know how much minimum you can make. But when you are so much want to more profit, just make your target. You are looking for 100 pips, you can make it on one time, and you on one candlestick or on one bar, and you leave it. If you enter and waiting for more than 100 pips, you have to be very, very snapper, because the market is moving very fast on this market. When you trade also on scalping on stock, please pay attention to the oscillator also. Just pay attention to the oscillator. When the market is going to be going down, you will see the green line directing to the down. And when the market is going to change, when the next candlestick is going to show for uptrend, you're going to notify on the oscillator. But when you are waiting for Ichimoku, you have to have big money on your account. You have to have a big account and big money management, and have a good psychology. Otherwise, you will lose your account. And after you close your position, the market will gonna go on your direction. So please, every day, I'm telling people, when you place your order, please respect your money management and be patient on the market. As we see, that was the last on the day on 19 December chart, and we have a new trend notification on the oscillator. We have the next candlestick. When the market, when the hours, like let's say we are in a 1 hour trend, okay, one hour time frame. When the time for the candlesticks going to the end, the market moving very, very fast. I mean, like we are in 1 hour, and the next candlestick is less than 3 minutes or 5 minutes to end. You have to pay attention, because now you can reach your target or you can make loss. Because if you sometimes traders are so excited when they see the market is going on the direction, they'll just duplicate their orders, their position. They will place others position and want to win more. And when the market at the end of the time frame, on the time, the market can move and can make some big surprise like here. And this is gonna be hateful and very painful. So when you are in the DAX market, you have to very, very pay attention, as I'm saying, and be patient. The market is not running, it's not a competition. Just wait and get your position on blue. If you close your position very early, you will see that on the next hours or the next 4 hours, the price will gonna rise on your direction that you have predicted on your analysis. The tax, this German on the 15 December, we have the confirmation on the trend on the oscillator side, and we see that the price go up also, and we have also this line, this number 2 for the market brief. Market has finished brief, and the green arrow telling us the arrow telling us the market has changed the direction. We have also the moving average confirmation, and we have the market price up to this price. And now we have a notification that we have to pay attention for next fall. And the market, the DAX market, also moving like this every time on daily, is doing this. So for those who trade, who want to use this template on stock, we have to pay attention that, as I'm saying. But this is not only one template that we have. We have up to 6 custom templates, and every template is different than others. The way to use it is also different, and it's the combination of the 100 indicator that we made some custom to get this template. By the way, I'm not the only one person using this extra money. I know more than 10 professional traders in Dubai that's using this indicator and is going well for them. And their result is very fantastic. So I'm not showing you something like just for presentation. I'm showing you the way to make money for yourself and get for your financial freedom. Also, we can edit your template on your recare. You can just add on top the news for the news. So any news that's gonna affect the market, we're gonna show up at your graphic straight. It's connected on the financial market straight, financial news, and any news that's gonna affect the market, well, that's gonna change the market trend, or you wanna make a market brief. You don't need to go and look up. You have just to wait on your screen, watch your screen, and you have everything on your screen. But as I was saying, that it's only for technical analysis. It's not for fundamental analysis. I'm in the Olymtrade, both for those who have a question or those who want to get access to these tools. They can contact me straight. I have a business card around close to the Lamborghini also. You can pick up one and text me on WhatsApp. For those who also have a question, you can ask.
Hello, hi.
Hey.
Is this an indicator or a EA?
It's a consume indicator, not a year.
It's not a EA.
No.
Oh.
But it look like a script. It's work only for you. It's giving you signal on the technical analysis for market change, for trend, for market brief. You can get anything on it, but not EA.
Okay, so it doesn't include money management in that.
For the money management, you have to install another script.
Okay, is it a trend indicator or what kind of indicator is this?
It's a more than 100 indicator. That's what I'm saying. But is on this 100 indicator, you have trend indicator, you have news indicator, you have market brief. Everything is there.
Does it have an exit strategy also in this, or we have to do it manually?
When you
see, I saw the slides where it is saying number 3, you get a trend.
Is showing automatically.
Okay, so where is the exit? Like, do we have to identify ourselves, or your indicator will tell when to exit?
The indicator will not tell you where to exit or where to enter. You have to identify for yourself. But when you're using this template, you know how to use it. It's very simple to get to find an entry price and exit price.
Okay. Does it identify the choppy areas?
No.
Okay, that's where we get killed.
But it's very easy to learn, to know how to use it on the market, and it's very, very easy because of a lack of time and busy. You know, it's time for lunch and everything, so we cannot tell everything on this. It's just for a smaller presentation that to show us that for professionals and other people, we use premium tools more than what we have on the MT4 platform.
Okay, last thing, like what is the expected ROI on this indicator as per your back testing or your forward testing?
Please come again. I didn't.
Sorry?
Please, can you repeat your question, please?
ROI, return on investment. What is the ROI of this indicator? You have been using this.
Yes.
So what is the returns like?
For me, as I was saying, that for each week on my stock trading, I'm making 100 pips minimum.
Can you please convert it into percentage, like?
Percentage, I'm making 10%.
10%
per day.
Per day.
Yes.
Oh, okay. And
but I don't trade every day. I just trade on Monday and finish for the week. So for monthly average, I have 40%.
Monthly is 40%.
40%.
So you mean to say, like, yearly it is almost 500%?
Yes.
Oh, that's awesome. What is the drawdown? Maximum drawdown?
So I'm using maximum order. I'm using 5 lots.
No. I mean to say, what is the maximum drawdown in percentage?
The drop, okay, 10%.
10% drawdown.
Yes.
That's a maximum drawdown.
Yes, maximum. But ours, is about the money management. If you use a big lot, you have a bigger drawdown.
Okay. Right. Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Excellent, ladies and gentlemen. Any more questions? Fantastic.
Does it repaint the numbers? Does it repaint or no?
Come again. Repaint?
The numbers.
Yes.
When number 3 comes.
Yes.
Does it repaint or the?
Yes, is repeat.
It repaints that if it comes in a high, then it comes a higher high. It moves or no? It sticks.
It's 6.
It sticks.
Yes.
How can we have this indicator?
Just come to our both Olymtrade both, and we'll talk about it, please.
Thank you.
Just one more question. Fantastic.
So is it possible to connect it to algorithmic trading, to use the signals for algorithmic trading and backtesting?
Yes. It's possible.
Okay, then see you in the...
Excellent, ladies and gentlemen. Any other further questions for Olymtrade and Mr. Abdoullaye? All right, then, ladies and gentlemen, round of applause. Fantastic stuff, Abdoullaye.